Hello, today we are here to conduct a step-by-step tutorial on how you should use Slim Face appropriately to maximize its effects and increase the slimming down, lifting up, and firming of your face. For each step shown, please follow accordingly for 30 seconds per step. Step 1. Roll the Homeosys Iron Roller along your neckline. Start from your jaw area to your collarbones. Please ensure to roll firmly in an upwards and downwards motion. Step 2. Roll the Homeosys Iron Roller against your cheeks. Roll sideways from the bottom of your cheekbones towards the base of your ear, following your jawline. Next, for step 3. Roll the Homeosys Iron Roller from the bottom of your cheekbones to underneath your eye area in an upwards and downwards motion. Step 4. Place the pink double rollers flat against the edge of your T-zone area, also known as the edge of your nose and lips, and roll upwards towards your hairline and the base of your ears. For the fifth step, roll the Homeosys Iron Roller at your temples, starting from the edge of your eyebrows in a diagonally upwards motion. For the sixth and the last step, place the pink double rollers flat above your eyebrows and roll in an upwards and downwards motion on your forehead. Please ensure to use the Homeosys Iron Roller on wet or dry skin without any skincare products. Skincare products should not be used while doing the roller treatment. We have done the treatment on only half of our model's face to provide a comparison of the before and after effects. You can clearly see the difference of the cheeks with a distinct sharper V shape and the lifting effects on our model's cheekbones for the side where Slim Face was utilized. The forehead area got an immediate uplift, and on an overall basis, an obvious firmer and slimmer face shape can be observed.